what could be the future and what are the drivers. But let's take it across to Mr. R.S. Sharma. He's, of course, the former CMD who was there at ONGC. Mr. Sharma, you have seen, of course, the company at very close quarters. What do you make of the, situation that ONGC is in right now? Do you think it's at an inflection point? And there are several of these triggers that my colleague also pointed out.
Well, I would say that ONGC is in very exciting time these days. So it's after a long time, ONGC market cap has crossed rupees 3 trillion. It used to be highest market cap company, I recall, during my time, and first company in India having crossed 300,000 crores of market cap. It has again, after 9 years, crossed it yesterday. So that is excitement. Other excitement is that earlier you had forgotten me. I used to be some time back very regular on your channel. So this excitement also, I get a call from you that to speak on this, and certainly ONGC has some very exciting growth stories, which your colleague has mentioned, and going forward they are more on this upstream, downstream, overseas, in terms of the leadership. Take ONGC leadership itself. Last for several years, ONGC leadership has not been stable. We had interim, chairman, outstanding professionals like Alka Mittal, like Mr. Subhash Kumar, R.K. Srivastav. So now there's a stability in terms of leadership. There's a vision. There's a clarity coming. We are able to see the forward-looking statements, very, very positive statements. So I feel next 5 to 10 years, so this is going to see a lot of the growth. So Opal downstream, that is getting
right, sir.
streamlined. So on all fronts, oil prices, well, that gets kept, but oil production going up, not only from KG offshore, even the Mumbai high, Mumbai offshore also production going up, new gas discovery, gas prices. So on various parameters, I find there's a lot of excitement right now at ONGC.
Okay. So one of the key concerns for ONGC, if we see for the last multiple years, was the continuous fall in production, and this was despite the heavy capital expenditure that the company has been doing. Now, given that they have found new gas and oil reserves, how do you see this changing, and what is the kind of capital expenditure now that ONGC will be requiring going forward? Any idea if you could give us on that front?
Yeah, one thing, that question has been getting raised for years together. I must clarify. It is a very natural phenomenon that when you start production over a period of the time keeps falling, and it is to the credit of ONGC management that they continue to do more of infill drilling, more of new discoveries, putting them on stream. So the way the crude oil production should have been falling, that has been quite a bit arrested. So right now, the fall, what you mentioned, that is marginal. And this new discovery, which I mentioned, they will add a lot of production growth. Take, for example, this KG offshore, 45,000 barrels per day next year. That is accounts for more than 10% of the ONGC's current production. So likewise, there are more areas where production growth is going to come. And that again shows with the leadership changes. Earlier, the leadership was not able to, take futuristic decisions.
Right.
That is happening now. So I feel you will see in times to come. Maybe I'll get more of opportunities.
Sure.
Opportunities to be active on your channel.
Sure, we look forward to those opportunities, Mr. Sharma. But for now, we'll have to let you go. Thanks so much for making